So today is Wednesday, August 14th. It's about 2:50 in the afternoon. And it's been quite a while since I made a video. I think the last time I made a video, I didn't have any subfloor or, oh no, I did have subfloor, but I didn't have any sheetrock on the walls or anything. So now I am really close to being done. I did most of the flooring. I just have a couple of little pieces to fix here and there. I have to take out the range, take out the fridge, and put the flooring under I'll leave the cabinets, but put the flooring under the appliances, and then do a little bit. I still need the toe kicks under my counters because they look like that. So I ordered those. I ordered another cabinet for right here. I'm one cabinet short. So that's the cabinet and the toe kicks are on the way as we speak. And let's see what else. I'm getting ready to do some more of the door trim. I did my bedroom door here on this side. I haven't done the other side yet. And I also did the second bedroom here. So I just finished the flooring in here a little while ago. This room actually has the coolest view because it looks out on the deck and to the back of the property back there. So I got to do the trim on this door here and then the baseboard in here. So I'm getting ready to finish the door trim on all the doors, and then I can do the baseboards. And let's see what else. I have the sofa here, which needs to be clean. It probably looks a lot dirtier than it actually is, just because it's like a cream color. And then I need a TV for there to, that's my cameras, my security camera setup. So I'll button all that stuff up. And then I still have some paint to touch up in little spots here and there, like over the fireplace. I have to put the pipe in for the fireplace, which is in the shop. Let's see what else. Here is my room, which actually came out pretty good. I just got my mirrors up, but I have to do a little more tweaking on my mirror frame. As you can see there, and I have to paint the frame trim. So what I did was I got 3 mirrors off of 3 closet door mirrors off of Craigslist, and then just took the metal frames off, and then I got a piece of trim and put that down, set the mirrors on top of the trim, and then trim the other 3 sides. So that's pretty much done. I have a pretty cool view to the shop, which is right there, and to the road, and to my street, which I don't know if you can see there. So that gives me a pretty good, wide angle view of the back of or the side of the property. And then there, out of my sliding glass door, is the back of the property. And then I also put up closet door mirrors, which is right there. I have a pretty good sized closet. There's Bullet's bed. I have a pretty good sized closet, and I put a light on the outside of the closet and on the inside of the closet on the same switch, so that if I'm getting dressed, I can, stand here and look in the mirror or whatever. And then I also have here a walk-in closet that's pretty good size. I still have to put up my shelving, my closet rods, and all that stuff. Right now my clothes are just, in totes on the floor and stuff like that. So I got a little stuff here and there to do. My light switch cover, the cover plate there. I have to do the touch-up paint here, and stuff like that. My cabinets came out really cool. I really like these cabinets. They're all soft close, so just like that. Same thing with the doors, just like that there. And so I have a ton of cabinet space now, which I didn't before. The pantry cabinets actually gave me the most amount of space. As you can see there, pretty good size. They're pretty much floor to ceiling. They're 8 foot tall, and then I think they're 6 foot wide. Yeah, they're 2 feet wide each. So that gave me a considerable amount of space there, which I have not been able to, which I haven't filled up yet. And so it's a pretty cool, I mean, the upgrade has been, you know, pretty substantial just from where it was before. But having the floors done and the paint and all my fixtures and stuff up has made a dramatic difference. So it feels pretty homey now. As you can see, I made some mock kitchen counters, temporary, until I get, I'm thinking about doing concrete counters, but I'm not ready for that yet. So this will be my temporary counter space. I also have them over the fridge and around the range. And then I have a pretty cool refrigerator, which actually is touchscreen. I can actually listen to music while I'm in here cooking or doing dishes or whatever. I can pull up, you know, the news online, watch the news, and what have you. So this has been pretty cool. It gives me a word of the day, which today's word is
radio music you should know.
Achromatic, which means without color. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. Basically, it's like a huge tablet. It's 98 freaking degrees here today, which is burning up hot. So dealing with that, I still have the plastic on the refrigerator, so in case it looks kind of dingy, as you can see here, I haven't pulled the plastic off yet. I have to pull it out in order to complete the flooring there. So after I pull it out, get the flooring done, push the fridge back in, then I'll probably take the plastic off. But the appliances are a huge upgrade. I cannot wait to get my, the pipe in for the fireplace and get my first load of wood burning in there when it starts getting colder. I didn't have insulation in the house before. Now the entire house is insulated, floor to, pretty much, well, not the floor, but all the walls and the ceiling is totally insulated now. I even insulated this room, this wall here, because on the other side is the bathroom. So if somebody's in there and the shower's running or whatever, you get quite a bit of privacy. So I still have the bathroom yet to do. So here's my temporary shower, which, works pretty good. The shower pan is done, but I still have to shower tile the floor and stuff like that. So, and I have to fix my skylight. My skylight is there, but I haven't been able to get it to open yet. I haven't put a whole lot of effort into it because I've been working on everything else, but that's one thing that I definitely have to do. So that's pretty much it. So like I said, I'm getting ready to try to finish up the door trim and then start laying down the baseboard. And I can pull up my little space. I have these little spacers here because the laminate flooring is supposed to have a space. I think it's like 3/8 of an inch for expansion, contraction, stuff like that. So these here are, because the flooring has a tendency to pop up, so that's why I have the boxes of flooring down there. So part of it will be cleaning all that stuff up, but it's come a long ways. So that's it.